All right. Well, this is the day before. This is the field that we're scouting, and as you can see, we brought the truck out here. Kind of found right where they're going to be. We're going to watch them again tonight, and see how it goes. So stay tuned. There's 200 to 300 birds in this field, and yeah, we'll go from there. I don't have any loaded.
I'll shoot it. Let him land. Let him land. Let him land.
See it.
Let him land. Kill him. Don't shoot a decoy. Oh!
Shoot it. Oh, hey, watch that. Don't cross it.
Tyler.
All the way over.
The dog's like, go down. God, I hope that wasn't the roost they shot.
Here.
They landed. Yep. We'll go bump them before, or I don't know, should we bump them?
Just shoot one.
No.
I think you should just walk over there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Bump them. Again. All right, let's get down just in case those come over us. Yep, early season geese. Shoot him behind us or what? Just wait. Just wait. No, we're fine. Go, Tyler. Go behind us. Woo! Got 3.
3. Hey, that one's tripled. All of them are tripled.
All right, we got to go get those side with the dog.
I'll just bring him back.
Send Goose. Here. Geese! No, Josh, go! You're wearing gray. Call. Let him land. You guys on the end, shoot right. All right, go on the right. You guys getting on the right? Nice. Josh, stop calling. All right. All right. Here we go. I say we shoot him. Kill him! Get him! Get him!
Get up! Get that bird!
He's coming around! Coming around!
Oh, come on!
Nice! Got him!
There we go.
Nice. I led that one too far. I got excited.
That bird's like, I'm getting out of here, but all my buddies landed. Good boy.
I only loaded 2 shells.
I got a little excited.
That thing was close though. God, that was perfect.
Yeah, hey, good shooting, boys. There
Got
we
a little
go.
trigger happy?
Yeah, I did get a little trigger happy. I was like, oh boy, here we go.
This is mine.
Yep. That was literally what I said
Hey,
in my
did you
head
get
too.
that
I was like,
one?
this one's mine.
Joey, did you?
We shot at the same time, but I don't know if I hit it or not.
Oh.
It got hit. Definitely didn't get hit in the head though.
No.
I think we hit in the ass.
Hey, that's all right. We got him. That's awesome.
Where's that last one?
There and then out there.
This has all 3 of them.
So right there. So we have 15 now?
Yep.
So what do we need
There
now?
was 4 in that flock?
4 of them.
Oh, I thought there was only 3.
Oh, I thought.
Hey, Joey, there's your pigeon.
I know they were out here yesterday morning.
And
You got another one, buddy. Good. Here. Good. Deuce.
he's so happy.
Fucking burn into these groups of pigeons.
I know, but we're gonna
Hold on.
them out. I wish
Kill him! Yeah! Oh my God! No way!
Hey, watch it. Just watch it. Just
Get ready in case one gets up.
This way, yeah.
Hold on, just wait.
Pop up and shoot. Sit.
Joey, there's one way
That
out.
boy.
hey, that one just got up and flew away.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That one's still walking there.
There's one way out.
That's the one that was sitting here, the one that's way out there.
Yeah, we got like 4.
Oh shit, they're not dead. Get them! I'm out of shell. Shoot, Paige. Shoot, shoot. You get them. Geese, geese, geese! Just get down, get down.
Small bird either, that poor guy. Yeah. Just like, I already retrieved this fucker once. He's like, I'm done.
This
Come on,
fucker
bud.
runs away, you guys are getting it.
He's dragging it now. He's
Good
like
boy.
500. I've been carrying this thing. Early season birds, buddy. I know them feathers don't like to stay in there. Come on, come on, come on. 10 more yards. Come on, come on.
Dude, he is so tired.
He's tired. I'll help you out.
That was at least 500 yards.
Hey, yeah. He's like, I'm gonna go die. Hold on, guys. He's like, I'm not doing this ever again.
There's a goose in his blind.
I'm keeping this one for myself. You better cook me this one.
Okay, that's 33.
Hey, good thing that came out before another flock came out. Otherwise, we would have 41.
Boy, deuce.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Like, you good? You got that thing rolling? And this is the after. Fucking crushed them. Can't swear. This is the after. We crushed them. Anyways, we had how many of us out here? 7?
8 of us.
8 of us. We ended up with 33 birds. We stopped shooting because we had a bunch of birds on the ground, and by the time we got up and started counting, they were kind of done flying. So it worked out pretty good. Dogs got a lot of work. Goose? No. Those are my birds. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one. We had another good hunt, so peace out.